And today also I want to answer all the questions that my friend been asking me on YouTube. I'm here at the KFC. I'm waiting for my order because now in Hong Kong it's not allowed to dine in, so there's a lot of empty space because nobody can eat it. So I got my KFC. This is craving satisfied. I went to the doctor appointment today for my follow-up checkup, and then I was so hungry and craving for something. So this is a craving satisfied for me, a KFC, and I cannot wait to eat it. But I have to find a place where can I eat, maybe at the park, because they're not allowing people to eat inside, and it's kind of hard because it's not so many places also allow people to sit because they practice social distancing again, because Hong Kong there's a lot of cases again, so we have to be very careful. So we have to walk a long way because the park is on the other side, and this area I'm not very familiar with this place where the park is. So and I got my chicken nuggets. No, I got my egg tart. We call this here in Hong Kong as an egg tart. I don't know what you call this in your country. And it's been for about $68. And I think this is made of potato. And they don't have give a straw because Hong Kong trying to stop using the plastic. So I have this, that, and oh my god. Get some few chicken here. And today also I want to answer all the questions that my friend been asking me on YouTube, and I've been thinking about this, and today I think this is the perfect idea which I'm going to answer the question that I have here that my friend been asking me for a while already, but I still have not done yet. But today I will do it especially for you guys. So but let me eat first. Chicken is nice, it's still crispy. When I bought it a while ago, it's still crispy, and it's a bit spicy because I choose spicy chicken. They also made the choice which one I want, but I said I want the spicy one because not spicy I find it's too boring. Sorry guys, this is background noise because I think some people are doing some carpenting job or what. But because I'm outside, and also there's a background noise because there's a train station at the back. So this kind of that background, and then you can hear also the sound of the bird. You can hear that. So number one, the question here is, what is your name? Well, my name is Jonalyn. And are you in a relationship? Yes, I am currently engaged with my boyfriend Jerry. He's from America. How many dating sites you been before you meet Jerry? Well, so far I've been a few dating site that I went. You just name it, like Filipino Cupid, Pina Love, Tag, Meet Me, can't remember already. But because my purpose is to find a man that I want to marry someday, so I just keep looking. So are you really looking for an older guy? For me personally, I like older man. I like a matured man because uh, they are more serious looking for companionship compared to the younger one. Well, I'm not saying all. I'm not saying that the younger people are not looking seriously, but it's been heartbroken for many times before I found Jerry. And obviously, because I do want to have any kids, so I prefer the older man that doesn't want to have kids. How many years your age gap? Do you want to have a baby? Personally, no. I do want to have a baby because of my age. I already 39. Um, August I already 39, and by the time I get married or have a kids, it's already 40 maybe. So personally, no, I don't want to have kids. I know that have kids is nice, but I enjoy to have my nephews and nieces, and when I get to America, Jerry's daughters have kids, so I would love to play with them, and sometimes maybe they can stay in my house and I will look after them, but I don't want to have my own kid. I'm sorry. Lights on or lights off? Let me drink water first. And also, I cannot sleep without light. I want to have a light when I'm sleeping, because when there's no light, when I wake up, I get confused and I get really scared. What movie do you like? A lot of movie that I like, but I like the most is action movie, and I hate horror movie. I don't like watch horror movie. That size really matter? Let me have some bite first. Sex or chocolate? And chocolate letter. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue, and also can be vary into purple or some color, but I don't like white. And when I get married, I don't know what color I want. But yeah, I just don't like to wear white too much. My favorite dessert, I love cheesecake. The person who introduced me to cheesecake was Jerry. The first time we tried a cheesecake in a Starbucks, and I fall in love with it. But I also like tiramisu. I love tiramisu, and I love cheesecake. And then the rest will be follow like mango graham and things like that. Are you love to drink? Yes, I love to drink wine, but now because I have health issues, so I'm just trying to slow down. Tea or coffee? I love both, but I prefer coffee. Have you been to travel? Yes, I've been travel to Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand many times. When are you getting married? Well, the getting married is in the plan, but the question is when I'm getting to the US, then we can get married. But for now, the question is big question mark, when? When is that when? Because given this situation, things is getting very, very hard. Does you have a job? Yes, I have my job. I'm currently working full-time in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 6 years now with a British family. Why do you have to speak in English in your blog? Well, I have to speak in English. First of all, my editor is Jerry, which he speak in English and he doesn't understand. And second of all, my blog is viewed by many places in the world. I also not only talking to a Filipino. I have some few friends that is from America, from Canada, and some of them are from Vietnam and Thailand. Then they actually can understand English. So I try to speak more English, and of course this is the way I can practice my English, because when I get into the US, people there are not speaking Tagalog or Ilonggo, which is my language. So I'm slowly practicing my English. I think I answered all the question and I think I can continue to it now. So I went to the doctor today and I get my appointment, I get my checkup, and I have to go back. They will send me the letter. Then I have to go back again for my another appointment. So that scared me. That guy just came when I was trying to do my blogging, and he walked past to me at first, and then he stopped right there, and then he stand there and get his phone, and then he come back and asked to me whether I can give my number or I can be his friend, and I show him that, and he said okay, I'm sorry. Oh, that scared me. Like that, the crust is still very crispy. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoy my Craving Satisfied KFC edition. And thank you for being here, and thank you for all the love and the support. See you again next week.